House prices registered a positive but mild growth during the first quarter of 2015 compared to the last quarter of 2014. There was an overall house price increase of 2.75% during the first quarter compared to the previous quarter's 2.18% increase. This is according to the Kenya Bankers Association's Housing Price Index, which indicates an upward price movement in coming months. KBS Research and Policy Director Jared Osoro says the price movement was attributed to an increased demand and supply of apartments compared to the price stability of bungalows and maisonettes.
There has been a substantial increase in the cost of those houses over time. And therefore, the investors are now critically re-evaluating about the viability of the subsequent developments, the redevelopment that happens after they have acquired those bungalows.
Cost of land, convenience, security and availability of social amenities were some of the factors that influenced choice of housing. However, the decomposed price movements in the first quarter of 2015 revealed a reversal from 2014, where bungalows and maisonettes were the main drivers of price change.
There's a tendency for the market now moving towards off-plan purchases, where even though it may take longer than 2 quarters to redevelop a bungalow into apartments, because of purchase off-plan, you are seeing the market shifting gradually from bungalows in terms of the driver prices into apartments.
During the first quarter of 2015, the size of the house was a key price driver. There was a significant extent on number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and whether a house had a backyard and domestic staff quarters.
We are seeing the demand dynamics and the characteristics of the attributes of the house that makes potential homeowners seek to invest in particular houses.
Kenya Bankers Association launched the Housing Price Index in February 2015 to provide an analytical tool for market players and policymakers for tracking the housing sector. The market supply for low-income households seeking shelter is quite constraining, and with the release by the Kenya Bankers Association on the Housing Price Index just in this first quarter of 2015 having gone up by 2%. This means that you as a house owner may need to actually save up more for you to get more houses or even get a decent shelter. Reporting for Business Insight, I am Melline Myendo.